welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and today we are doing outfits on repeat. Yes, I'm an outfit repeater and I'm so proud of it. Oh my god. And if you're not an outfit repeater, was the outfit good enough to repeat? No. Well, no, but honestly, actually, seriously. I love repeating outfits. I love wearing the same thing over and over. I'm big into uniforms. I've been watching a lot of that one podcast. I've been watching a lot of Fashion Neurosis with Bella Freud, and everyone who is on that show, fashion giants, have uniforms. And so I fully believe in having a uniform and pieces that you can wear over and over and over again. Number one, it's sustainable. Number two, you just look chic, cute, you find yourself, your personality shines. You touch up your hair, your other things, your jewelry, your vibes. But I'm just really big into fashion repeating, using your pieces over and over, and these are just the outfits that I've noticed I have worn over and over again lately, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. This is my first outfit that I have on repeat. I love these pants. I thrifted these. I got like a size up and like just a little waisted slack. There's still a touch too big. I was being a little bit careful that I don't show my butt crack, but it's like, oh, they're so cute. And I like that they're like a little bit long, so they go over my shoes. My shoes are from Mark Nolan. They're the cowhide loafers, and I think they have like a bit of a love sole on them, which gives me the teeniest bit of height, but I like it. And then this top is from ASOS. I love it so much because it is like a polo, but it doesn't have buttons. A very small V-neck. For some reason, it reminds me of bowling. It gives me a bowler vibe, but it's not like a bowling shirt. And just like a little cap sleeve. I feel like it looks good on Zoom, but when you see the whole outfit together, there's a bit of like, I don't know, it's like preppy, but with a little bit of an edge because of the way everything fits. And I just like it. It's like simple and cute. My hair back, and I feel a little bit like Spencer. There's just something about this outfit that I really like. You can pair with like a leather jacket or really like whatever. It's also really comfortable. It's so comfortable. Like every piece just is really nice quality, so I just feel very comfortable in it. So number one, Spencer from Pretty Little Things, Pretty Little Liars. Pretty Little Liars. Yes, this is outfit number one. Very Spencer. I just love like this. I love like if I had a stamp. If I had a tramp stamp, it would be on display. I think that's so cute. Alright, so this is my second outfit that I've been wearing absolutely to death. This is an outfit that I would definitely wear going out, or getting food, drinks, we might dance, like who knows, one of those situations. But I also want to be, I just want to be comfortable, so these boots are really sturdy. They're so sturdy. They are from Public Desire. How do I describe it? So they have a block heel, so they're just really comfortable. You can walk forever in these. And then the skirt, this is from Revolve, and it is just like, this is the go along to get along skirt. It's super 40, it's from Revolve, and it goes with so many things. And then this is a long sleeve tee that I thrifted. I'm obsessed with long sleeve tees, guys. Like, oh my god, they're so good, especially if they have something on the arm. I'm sold. I love these. I can wear them, my boyfriend can wear them. I can wear it to bed. It is amazing, but I tied it up and I just shoved it up my bra in the back, and I just love the way that looks too. It's just a little more like the edgy vibe of going out, but I'm not like, I don't know, I just like this outfit. Like, it's like I'm going out, but in my opinion, of all the things I have in my closet, this is me like not doing too much. You know what I mean? These are just all of my favorite things in an outfit, and they just happen to work together. And then as for my jewelry, I'm just wearing change from VITALY just to give that, I don't know, edgy, punky look that I like. I would wear one in the ring with it, just so you have something to see, because it does cover up most of my hands, which I like that too. This is another outfit that I have. When I say on repeat, when you press shuffle, or when you press the repeat twice, same song. This is that outfit, same song. Which is funny, because when I was putting this on, I was listening to Tweaker over and over and over, because why not? My outfit, if I were a cartoon character, I would wear this every single day. So the sweater is from QUINCE. It's their cropped cardigan. Super cute, just one button, and I like the buttons because they're like tortoiseshell. See it, tortoiseshell, super cute. These jeans, I literally wear these jeans almost every day. These are from Pepper Mayo. I have them in light wash, dark wash. I'll link them down below. They're just such good jeans. They're just so comfortable. They're nice and baggy. They are very long. I will give them that. Even like this shoe is kind of a bit, has too thin of a sole for what I would usually go for, but I I don't mind because they're just gonna drag. Anyways, shoes are from Steve Madden, the Madrids. They're just leopard print little fake sambas. And they're super cute, and I added little charms to them. For accessories, I'm wearing this Madonna necklace. Is from Melania Clara. I love their jewelry because they have magnetic closures and it makes it so much easier for people with long nails. And then underneath that, I have the little rosary. I think it's rosary number 8 from Lelia Mae. I always have a code for them if you're interested in their jewelry. They're black owned and I really like their stuff. I have a lot of their stuff on. And then the VITALY Eternal necklace, I want to say, and it's with the green stones. I love just the little pop of color, especially with this brown, a little bit of green earth tone. And then rings, Mehari, Lelia Mae, Bauble Bar. These are from Amazon. My regular little bracelet stack on this hand. And I switched up to a matte lip because when I wear this much jewelry, I kind of like a matte. Ooh, my hair's falling out. No. Well, I can just show you all my clip in the meantime. And then this is the clip I'm wearing in my hair. Because I feel like sometimes might as well. If we're gonna do it, if we're gonna do the earrings, the gaudy jewelry, give it one more thing. And my one more thing was the hair clip. And then my sunglasses are the Tortoiseshell ANINE Bings. Really like a retro cool vibe. I feel like they just go with earrings. I don't know. Something about it just speaks to me. That is my DC outfit. Any given day, I'm in this. Right, this is my next outfit. I am a sweater-aholic. I just love a good sweater and I'm obsessed with this dress. This dress is from Pepper Mayo, and I will tell you something, online it looks like nothing freaking special. Literally, I don't even know how I got it. It's one of those that's like, I don't even know. But it is just the perfect staple black dress with a little bit of a flare to it when you need it. And I just like, every time I put it on, I'm like, it's so good. It just goes with everything. It's really comfortable. It cinches you in. It's just lovely. Oh, the sweater is also from Pepper Mayo. Really cute, bell sleeve, red buttons, just a lot. Just so cute. And it's quite a good level material. It's a perfect spring, but I've definitely worn it in the winter and really comfortable if you wear, but it's just a nice quality sweater with super cute sleeves. And then of course I paired it with my favorite little loafers, black with gold accents, and then I'm wearing Andrew's dress socks because I could not, for the life of me, I could not find socks in here. It was a nightmare. But I would also add sunglasses. What is that movie? This outfit's reminding me of that one movie. Is it Uptown Girls? With Dakota Fanning, and she's and Brittany Murphy. Oh my god, I freaking love Brittany Murphy. Anyways, these sunglasses remind me of the vibes of this, of like schoolgirl. But I like that the skirt is like, I mean, it's quite short. And I feel like if I'm gonna be like this covered up, I feel like it's just my vibe. And then for jewelry, I'm keeping it super simple, just like the regular stuff I usually have. And then I just have on my earring stack, rhinestone Huggie, and then a gold Huggie. And then I added my Melania Clara ear cuff. And I just like it on this ear because it's like at my cartilage and it's just like one ear is just stacked, and I love that. So this is such a cute outfit, honestly. And then it's like if you want something more neutral, you can just put on a different sweater. It's just like, it's such a little classic outfit. I would wear this anywhere. You know what I mean? It's like, this is cute on like a date. This is cute if it's like, okay, I'm going to a coffee shop, get some work done. This is cute. Hey, I'm going to dinner with my parents, but I want the waiter to, you know what I mean? What do you need? Ooh, and then I would have a little bag. Wait. I need bags. And then just like a little black bag. This is also cute for shopping. Because I feel like it take me seriously up front, but then also I'm cute. You know what I mean? Like I'm a cute girl. So I love this outfit. Like it's so short and perfect. Last outfit, and definitely by far the most casual, but this is like, I love this. I love a black, thick, strapped tank top. Will get you everywhere you need to go in life, like I promise you. This or white. White is cool too, but there's something about the black with my black hair that I just like, I love. And then jeans, same jeans as before, and I'm wearing these sick little pointed toe boots with them. They're so comfortable. These boots are insanely comfortable, which is why I would wear these I could wear these to like the grocery store. Like I can wear these pretty much anywhere because they're like that easy to walk in. They're super, super comfortable. And then just my sunglasses because I feel like this ponytail, it's just so cute. It's cute and it's casual, but the boots say I fancy. Don't play with me. I'm basic, but I'm not like y'all. Like I love an outfit that's basic, but it's clearly telling you I'm not like the other bitches. Don't you ever compare. No, lost myself. But no, truly, this is my favorite type of outfit. Is like I'm doing almost nothing, but ooh, it's just so cute. You guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and I feel like helpful if you're ever in a rut with your outfits. Super simple stuff to wear. But if you guys enjoyed, if you like it, don't forget to leave a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke, and my TikTok, Ivana Brooke, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, that was so scary. I felt like I was running in Get Out. That was so scary.